Okay, I'm gonna just clean up the background by using the patch tool. And then what bugs me is this basket is just really misshapen and just the angle and the perspective look off. So I'm just using Liquify to bring it in a little bit and just make sure it looks a little more symmetrical and a little more rounder. Now I'll just clean up my background a little bit. The patch tool, very simple, just drag and drop. Now let's clean up the skin. I like to just use the patch tool, and then I like to use LSP Newborn Skin Perfection. I'll put a link in the video. Once I've done all that, now I'm going to go to LSP, Newborn Skin Perfection, and run it. It takes a little bit to get going, and then you get a brush and you just brush over the skin. What I like about it is it's a layer, so you can turn the layer on and off, or if you like it, you can flatten it, and you can also change the opacity of a layer. Right? You just brush and go. Now I'll do sharpen lashes and details and bring that back. Again, layered brush, you can turn it on, turn it off, and flatten it. Just lightening a little areas in the image, just dodging some light, that's all. Now doing some cleanup to the fluff and everything else, just getting all the little details. The patch tool, you can use patch tool, healing tool, whichever. Now I want to clean up. You can see our poser behind, so I'm just selecting it so that it's easier to clone and clean up. just kind of shaping the fluff, making things a little bit rounder, and just kind of perfecting and cleaning up. Usually I only spend a couple minutes cleaning up an image, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, but when I want to do a little bit more, then maybe 4 to 5 minutes. And that's it, just cleaning up the overall image and saving it.